Curiosity is a beautiful thing, but remember it also killed the cat. It can be interesting to take a look at the dark web, but it's also potentially dangerous. We don't condone any of these activities, but for educational purposes, we will reveal to you 5 sites to make money on the dark web. If you are new around here, make sure to subscribe with notifications on, so you do not miss any of our new videos. Also, feel free to follow us on social media, links in the description box down below. Number 1. Hidden Wallet. Although Bitcoin has only recently become popular with the general public, it has been the currency of the dark web for years. On sites like Hidden Wallet, you can manage your cryptocurrencies, as well as buy and sell them. We also recommend using a VPN for crypto trading, to guarantee your security and anonymity. Number 2. Secure Drop. The dark web is one of the only ways for whistleblowers to share their information, while being certain they won't be tracked. Whistleblowers often have damaging information about a company or government, and try to share this with journalists. If they do so on the surface web, they'll likely be traced, and in some cases punished. Number 3. E-commerce website. Easiest way to make money on dark web, as the dark web lets you sell your products. There's even market for legal product. You can sell your unique products, and earn high profit margin. To sell effectively, one of the best ways is to create your own e-commerce website. Number 4. Hidden Wiki. The Hidden Wiki is a dark web version of Wikipedia, that offers links to different websites on the dark web. Hidden Wiki does a lot of the searching for you. Moreover, they provide informative pages on a range of topics, including money. Be careful, however, a lot of illegal websites are indexed here, so make sure not to click on something you don't want to see. Number 5. Wasabi Wallets. It's a Bitcoin wallet that not only hides all your data, and also allows you to join your transactions with others to increase your anonymity. This makes it incredibly difficult to find out who you are paying, however the process costs a fee. But unlike with other Tumblr or mixing services, there is no risk that Wasabi or any of its users could scam you out of your coins.